Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial we will learn how to design this beauty salon flyer in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our flyer, 8.5 by 11. First we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle 8.5 by 11. Now we will set the align. We will go align and the distribute. First we will click on specified point. Now we will align horizontally and vertically. Now we will go to the toolbar and we will select the tool interactive fill. And we will apply on the rectangle. Now we will set the colors. You can see the color codes. Now we will adjust the interactive fill tool. Now we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will drag and we will right click to make a copy of the rectangle. Now we will right click on the rectangle and we will select convert to curves. Now we will select the shape tool and we will select the node. And we will right click and then delete. Now we will add the node and we will click on convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles and we will make a shape like this. Now we will select the pick tool. And we will again click on the interactive fill tool. Now we will click on reverse fill. Now we will adjust the interactive fill tool. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will set the size of the circle. Now we will place the circle like this. Now we will increase the size of the circle. Now we will select the rectangle and the circle. Now we will click on intersect. Now we will remove this circle and we will select the area of intersect. Now we will fill color in this shape. Now we will do shift page up to keep this shape in front. Now we will increase the size of the shape. Now we will click on interactive fill tool and we will apply on this shape. Now we will select the colors. We will adjust the colors. Now we will remove the outline. Now we will drag inside and we will right click to make a copy. Now I'll fill white color in this shape. Now I'll go to the file menu and we will click on import. Now we will import the images. Now we will import 4 images. These 4 images we will use in this flyer. Now we'll adjust this image according to the shape. Now we'll right click and click on option power clip inside. Now we will click on this shape. Now we will click on edit. Now we will edit the power clip. We will adjust the image according to the shape. We can increase or decrease the size. Now we'll click on finish. Now we will drag the rectangle and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will remove the outline and we will fill this color. Now we will right click on the rectangle and we will click on convert to curves. Now we will select the shape tool and we will select the node and we will right click and then delete. Now we will add the node by click and then we will click on convert to curve. We will drag the node like this and we will drag the handles to make a shape like this. Now we will select the pick tool and again we will drag and right click to make copy. Now we'll fill this color in this shape. Now again we will drag and right click to make a copy of this shape and we will fill white color. Now we'll do control page down to keep this shape in the back. Now we'll select the ellipse tool and we will draw a circle. Now we'll set the size of the circle 2 by 2. Now we'll place this image in this circle. First we will adjust the size according to the circle. Now we'll select the image and we will right click then click on power clip inside. Now I'll click on circle. Now we will click on edit and we will add it according to circle. Now we'll click on finish. I will place the circle on the flyer and we will place here. Now we'll set the outline white. Now I'll make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will edit the power clip and we will change the image. I'll click on finish. Now we will set the image in this circle. We will right click and click on power clip. Now we'll select the circle. Now we will edit the circle. Now we'll click on finish. Again we will make a copy of this circle. Again we will edit the image and similarly we will change the image. I'll click on finish. Now we'll adjust the circle according to the space. Now we'll place the logo. We have a logo. I have already imported the logo, so we will place logo here. Now we'll select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the name of the salon. Now we'll select the font style and we will write the name of the salon. We will resize the name according to the space. With the same process, we will write all the text. Now we'll select all the text and we will set the align from the right. We will adjust the text according to the space. We will set all and then we will set the distribute from the top. We will resize the shape and we will resize the text and the logo. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will resize the circle. I will place circle here. Now we will select the rectangle and the circle. And we will click on the option intersect. Now we will remove this circle and we will select the area of intersect. Now we'll fill white color in this shape. Now we'll go to the edit menu and we will click on copy properties from. Now we'll tick on fill option and we will click on OK. Now we'll click from where we want to copy the properties. Now we will adjust the interactive fill. Now we will drag inside and we will right click to make a copy. Now fill white color in this shape. Now we'll do control page down 2 times Now we will adjust the size of this shape. Now we will select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the text. I'll give a bold look to this text and we will place here. Again we will write the text. Now again we will select the text tool and we will write about us. We will place here. We will set the size. Now we will copy the text to write paragraph text. Now we'll select the text tool and we will make a selection to write a paragraph. Now we'll place the text here. Now we'll select all the text and we will set the color and the size. Now I'll click on the option horizontal alignment. Now I'll click on full justify. Now we will zoom and we will adjust the paragraph text according to the space. Again we will select all the text and we will give a bold look to this text. Now we'll select this shape and we will set the size. Now we will select all three circle images and we will drag with the left arrow key. Now we will increase the size of the paragraph text. Now we'll select and we will set the align of the heading and the paragraph text. Now again we will write the text. We will write services here. We will increase the size and we will give a white color. Now I'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will make a small circle and we will give a white color to this circle. Now we will write the service name and we will give a white color and bold look to the text. Now we will set the font style. Now we will zoom and select the text and adjust. Now we will select the circle and the text and we will set the align. Now we will select the text and the circle and we will make a copy by right click. Now we will edit the text. Similarly, we will write all the services. Now we will select one by one and we will right click, then we will click on group. Similarly, we will group all the circle and the text. Now we will select all and we will click on align and the distribute. Now we will set the distribute from the top. Now we'll select all and we will drag with the arrow keys. Now we have all these social media icons. Now we will place social media icons like this. Now we will zoom and we will select the ellipse tool and we will draw a oval shape. Now we will give white color to this shape and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select the text tool and we will write open everyday here. And we will place the text on the oval shape. Now we'll select both and we will set the align horizontal and vertically. Now again we will write the text. Now we will write for appointment. And we will give a white color and a bold look to the text. You can increase or decrease the size of the text according to the space. Now we will write the numbers. Now we'll place the numbers. We will give a white color. Now we'll drag and right click to make a copy. We can write 2 or 3 contact number. Now we will write the address of the salon. We will select same font for all the text. Now we will write the website address. I'll give a bold look to the text. I'll select. So guys, our beauty salon flyer is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.